Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to take a look at Cronos at number 1, followed by Near Protocol, Filecoin, Hedera, Internet Computer, Aptos, Lido DAO, MNT THORChain, and then we'll end it with Bittensor at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Cronos against BTC. Yes, sir, we've been following Cronos all the way down, step by step. And now we're out of the resistance, right? We actually broke out of the skinny pink line, but we came back down, so I'm like, okay. Let's ignore the skinny pink line and assume that the support is going to hold, and we're heading towards support, maybe a little bit lower, and after that, yeah, I think Cronos is going to do very well, because if you look at this, it's a very nice A, B, C, right? We could go for a very big D, consolidate a little bit longer, E, and then pump. 2025 is Cronos' year, Crypto.com's year, potentially, or even 2024, you could see already a move, but yeah, I think this is the very, very beginning of the move, right? If we were to start reversing back up, right? I kind of like what I see on Cronos. It's a very long accumulation period, right? The volume isn't increasing yet, right? You will know when the whales are stepping in, when you see volume increase, right? This was where most of the moves were made. And after that, this is where most of the sells, right? They were selling. The whales were really selling over here. So you can tell a lot just by looking at the volume. So yeah, at this point of time, again, the whales have not stepped up yet. Eventually, we'll probably see high volume stepping in, but yeah, not at this point of time for CRO BTC. CRO USD, here we are for CRO. We look at it on the KuCoin. Yeah, we're above the skinny pink line on the USD pair, which is good, which means that more likely than not, we're going to see a continuation towards the upside. Right now, we're not entirely sure whether this is going to be a B, C, D, E. Or this could be an A, B, C. We come down a little bit before heading higher. Right. Again, we're not entirely sure though. Right. This looks something like a rising channel maybe. And after that, we hit a little bit lower. Again, I can't say for sure at this point of time. Right. Would love if we get something clearer for Cronos, but yeah, again, very nice break, clean break of the resistance. Right. Very nice touches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Break. Retest, short retest, and then pum, it blasted off. So Cronos, in my opinion, is doing very well. I think more likely than not, we're heading back towards 50 cents. Right now we're at 9-10 cents. I think more likely than not, we're gonna see a 5x from 10 to 50. More likely than not, right? But from a trading standpoint, we want to enter as efficiently as possible. So how much lower do we think it could go? I'm not too sure. Is this a very low, or could we see maybe a lower low kind of a move before heading higher? Maybe. Again, we're not entirely sure. But the bias for Cronos is already bullish. Near Protocol. I keep seeing all these Near Protocol ads on Twitter. Again, look at this. Can you see the volume? Can you see the volume on Near? The whales have already started making moves. Look at this. The whales have already started buying Near. So I think more likely than not, you're going to see a break towards the upside for Near. Again, previously, if you look at Near, right, there's a spike in volume in this area, right? And after that, pam, we broke towards the upside. So I suspect that the whales have already started accumulating in this area, right? I mean, we could still drop a little bit lower. This will be awesome, which means that we'll be getting in at the price of the whales. Very likely, this is insider trading. More likely than not. I can't say for sure, but yeah, usually when you see high volume, it means that the whales have already started making moves. Look at this against the USD pair as well. Huge volume, right? Again, even at this point of time, right? Huge volume around this area. Huge volume around this area. Huge volume around this area. So the whales have been accumulating in these two areas, right? At this price, at around $2. So if you were to, if you're a true believer of Near, right? And if you can get Near, let's say if it does drop to under $2, you could actually get it at the whales price, the insider's price. But we're already above the skinny pink line, so I'm anticipating much more upside eventually for Near. But of course, from a trading standpoint, we would like to wait for a retracement first before making any moves towards the long side for Near. Filecoin, this is an Arthur Hayes approved coin. Filecoin against BTC. Here we are for Filecoin. Any signs of a reversal? No, Filecoin just keeps going lower and lower and lower until it stops, right? Going lower. Again, we're still under the skinny pink line, so we are remaining for bearish bias for FIL BTC. FIL against USD paints a very different picture. FIL against USD. This is an A, right? B, down C, up D. Ooh, I think you're completing a wave E. I think Filecoin is about to blast off. I have a strange feeling Filecoin is about to blast off. Can you see this? Can you see this? Oh, man. But the E is not so, it's a little bit off, I would say. If you look at Filecoin against BTC, there's just nothing much yet. So, I wish we had something clearer, right? For Filecoin against USD, we can draw a line across and consider this as a resistance, right? A break of it, and then we're up. Again, would be great though if we could get like a falling channel or something. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But I think Filecoin should be a much safer bet compared to a lot of other coins. And yeah, again, if talking about storage, right, CR Coin has really started blasting off. So Filecoin might just catch up to CR Coin eventually. Moreover, Filecoin is also a high market cap coin, right? And it's been around for a long time. So yeah, again, I still think that Filecoin will eventually fly together with CR Coin. Anyway, moving on will be Hedera Hashgraph, HBAR. This is HBAR against BTC. Yes, sir. HBAR against BTC. Here we are for HBAR. Okay, I like HBAR as well. Why? If I would consider this long week, right? I think HBAR is also in a very nice squeeze. Where are we gonna stop? I don't know. Could we be stopping soon? Maybe. Right. If you look over here, this is something like a triple bullish type. Something like that. Not exactly, but something like that, right? Marginally lower lows. So yeah, there's a loss of weakness towards the downside. So there could be a sudden surge of strength, sudden surge of buying pressure towards the upside. Will we see it soon? Yeah, we're not entirely sure. Very close to the bottom though, so it's very, very important. We do not take out this bottom for Hedera Hashgraph. HBAR against USD. Here we are for HBAR. So for HBAR, we actually had a target over here at 1.7 cents. Right? We were saying that once you take out these highs, we will consider the 1.7 cents to be fully invalidated, but not until you take out the high. And once we take out the high, I suspect that this could be a bullish reversal in the form of an ascending triangle. You see it? Do you see it? Yeah. So again, we're not going to be rushing into HBAR until we see, this being invalidated, until we see a proper consolidation first. Then by the time it happens, it could be like May, June, summer of 2024, the summer bull run. Maybe, again, we'll have to wait and see how things go, right? So that's HBAR for you. I think HBAR has huge potential just by looking at the BTC pair. I have good feelings about HBAR. ICP against BTC. Here we are for Internet Computer. Okay, ICP is also just like Filecoin. The BTC pair just keeps going down and down and down and down. When is it going to end? I have zero idea when it's going to end. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal chart pattern? No. No, we don't see it. Yeah, we have to proceed with caution for ICP. I don't know what the ICP wheels are doing. ICP against USD. Yeah, I know we're rallying, but I mean, your money will be better off in BTC in the first place because BTC is gaining ground against ICP. At this point of time, yeah, we still don't see it yet. Again, we like that this is a potential inverse head and shoulders in the making, but we still need to see the chart pattern first, right? So yeah, nope. We're gonna have to wait for the wheels to do their thing. Aptos against BTC. Here we are for Aptos. Anything for Aptos? No. Against BTC, we're already under the skinny pink line. So we're gonna proceed with a bearish bias. How much lower? We have no idea. Still in the bearish trend, so we will remain with our bearish bias for App BTC. App against USD, yeah, it's a higher high. Could we blast off from here? Of course. What's the best bullish case for Aptos? Best bullish case, yeah, we keep getting valleys, right? Skinny pink line goes across. This is something like an ascending, right? Value 1, value 2, value 3, boom, we break higher. That'll be the best, but again, we still don't see it yet. We're still at danger of taking out $4. Wait, let me see. Oh no, okay, we've already taken out this size. So we'll consider the 440 target to be invalidated for Aptos. Lido DAO, LDO against BTC. If you look at LDO BTC, we're still under the skinny pink line. We remain with our bearish bias. We still have a target over here at 3790. Again, there's already selling pressure coming in. So we're anticipating the continuation towards the downside for LDO BTC. Again, this is a head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakdown, retest, 3790. Could we see a sudden surge, of course? But yeah, we're under the skinny line. So we're gonna remain with our bearish bias for LDO BTC. LDO UDSD. USDT, bro. LDO USDT. Here we are for LDO. Okay, LDO has been mucking around the skinny pink line. Any clear signs of a high quality tradable chart pattern? No. No. Again, you can consider this as something like an ascending as well. Value 1, value 2, right? If you just do nothing but go sideways for a long time, right? Yeah, then this could be an ascending. And then this could be a big breakout. Potentially. So, but this needs to happen. We need to see this first, right? Because we're also in danger of dropping lower. We could even sweep the lows over here first before heading higher. Again, we're going to have to wait and see how it goes for LDO. We're still not entirely sure. Mantle, MNT against BTC. We'll look at it on Bybit. Anything for us to work with? No. Look at this. Mountain range. Mountains, zip down. Rarely, but where is the bullish reversal chart pattern? Yeah, we don't see it. MNT against USDT. Let's look at on Bybit again. Look at this volume. Look at the volume. Pushing the price higher and higher and higher. Anything for us to work with? No. And I would not recommend jumping into a long for Mantle at this point of time. We're kind of overbought though. So be very careful. RUNE. Let's look at RUNE. RUNE against BTC. Here we are for RUNE. Okay, RUNE is one of the few coins that you can categorize as outliers, right? RUNE is already out of the skinny pink line. Very bullish buying pressure. Pushing the price much higher. More upside for RUNE? Yeah, more likely than not. More upside for RUNE. We could be completing an ABCDE kind of a chart pattern though, right? This could stretch all the way to 2028. So, yeah, again, I think we're in the midst of a wave 4. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. We're probably going to get a wave 4 over here, and then we hit higher for a wave 5. So, again, if we get a high quality continuation chart pattern as a wave 4, then yes, we could consider taking a trade for a wave 5 in out. Would be awesome though, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. We shall see how it goes. RUNE against USD. Look at this. This is crazy bullishness. Any signs of a reversal? No. Yeah, we're probably gonna get a wave 4 as we hit higher. More likely than not. And then more likely than not, so we could be coming back down for a wave C. Right. A up down for a B, down for a C. A, B, C, right? D, E. Something like that. That's my expectation for RUNE. Will we get it? Again, we'll have to wait and see how it goes. We'll take things one step at a time for THORchain. Bittensor. Okay, Bittensor will have to be on DEX tools. So for Bittensor, okay, there's a very nice squeeze over here. Do you see this? Symmetrical triangle. That's it. Blast off. All targets have been hit. Any clear signs of a continuation? Yeah, there were many continuation chart patterns along the way, right? Continuation. But you could see that the moves keep getting shorter and shorter. This was so long. Long, medium, short. There could be another one, but I feel like the end is not too far away for Bittensor. So be careful about jumping in over here. Here will be great. Jumping in here, oh, this is very high risk. So yeah, for me, at this point of time, for Bittensor, it will be a next coin. You just move on to the next coin. It's severely overbought, and you will eventually see a reversal for Bittensor. So be careful about rushing into a trade towards the long side for Bittensor, unless, of course, you know what you're doing. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!